how to fix Instagram video call Bluetooth headphones not working. So if you want to fix Instagram video call Bluetooth headphones not working, then let's get started. Step 1 is open up your phone's settings. After that, you need to scroll down and then tap on Bluetooth and make sure that your Bluetooth headphones are connected properly. Tap on connected device and look for the option called audio device type. Then tap on it, then make sure not to select any disable options. Step 2 is go back to the main settings menu, scroll down and open up the apps or app management. After that, tap on manage apps. From manage apps, you need to type in Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, tap on it. From the Instagram, you need to go with the app permissions and make sure that you've allowed the microphone and the camera access or the photos and videos options. Main thing is the microphone section. Or you can also do a simple restart. Hold down your power button and reboot your phone. That's it. After completing these steps, your Bluetooth headphones should now work perfectly during your Instagram video calls. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.